If I'm going to recruit, I have to know the role of who I'm recruiting for. So what roles can we recruit for? So there's the general specialist. This is the agent who does anything and everything. So this is a group, and there's multiple groups. I'm highlighting a few groups here, but that's the general agent, the one who's going to come in, work the leads, not work the leads, they're going to recruit them into the company. Then you can get specialists where you have a team and you're going to hire a buyer agent specialist, and that's all they're going to do. They're going to only work the buyers. We're going to set up on a compensation plan for them to where they can make it. For me, it's at least 50% of the gross commission they have to net. Otherwise, you're going to have high turnover. But we build systems in place where they're the specialists. We take all the things off their plate that they're not good at doing, and we concentrate on what their skill set is good at, which is making the phone calls, setting appointments, overcoming the objections, and selling it. And so that would be a buyer specialist for recruiting purposes. Listing partners is another recruiting specialist, and there's other categories to go on from there, but know the role in which you're recruiting for when you're making the recruiting calls.